What if you could build a full RPG combat system, attacks, weapons, skills, animations, and VFX, without writing code yourself? Using Claude AI with the Roblox MCP plugin, that's exactly what we did. We already had a character with stats, enemies, now we add real combat. The system is simple. 2 slots. Slot 1 is melee, kung fu. Slot 2 is your weapon, sword or magic staff. X switches slots, C cycles weapons, Q, E, R, F are skills, and left click is your basic attack. Claude first creates a CombatConfig module. This holds all data, weapons, skills, damage, cooldowns. One file controls everything. Then comes the server CombatController. It handles damage, hit detection, cooldowns, and projectiles. The client requests, the server decides. The CombatClient listens to inputs, validates them, and sends requests. Fast and responsive. Next is the skill bar UI. 2 panels with cooldowns, icons, and keybinds, cleanly centered. Weapons are generated entirely in code, a glowing cyan sword and a violet magic staff, both attached with motor 6D. Animations use R15 properly, with priorities and speed control, so everything feels smooth and doesn't overlap. We hit a bug where M1 attacks stopped working. Turned out a remote variable was accidentally deleted. One missing line, hours of debugging. Classic Roblox. All visual effects are client-side. Punch rings, sword trails, fireballs, lightning strikes, purely cosmetic and auto-cleaned. We also added a death screen and data store saving for level and XP. In the end, full combat loop working. Attacks, skills, effects, XP, death, respawn, and persistence. And all of it built with AI. Next up, gold drops, shops, and a boss fight.